Hello and welcome to Watch Tonight. In today we are going through biography of Mohammed bin Salman. He is popularly known as MBS. Mohammed bin Salman is Crown Prince of Saudi Arabia and he is heir apparent to the throne. Let's go through his childhood and early life briefly. MBS was born in 1985 in Riyadh, Saudi Arabia. His primary education was in Riyadh only. He was ranked among the kingdom's top 10 students. He then graduated with law degree from King Saud University, where he ranked second in class. Now we'll go through his career briefly. After graduation, he worked for Saudi cabinet as a consulate for the expert commission. He began his political journey in 2007. He became a full-time advisor to the Council of Ministers. In 2017, he became Crown Prince and the heir apparent to the throne. Let's check out some of the reform he has promised. He has led many reforms, including removal of the ban on female drivers. In April 2016, he announced his intention to restructure Saudi economy and introduce Vision 2030. Let's check out some of the controversy he has been in. He is said to be the main architect of the war in Yemen, which has killed millions. In October 2018, journalist Jamal Khashoggi was murdered in Saudi consulate in Istanbul. For that also, it was said that MBS was the one who gave the order. Let's check out his net worth. Some say that MBS is worth $10 million. Let's check out his family. His father is current king of Saudi Arabia. His name is Salman and mother is Fahida bint Sultan bin Hatlim. He is married to his cousin Princess Sarah bint Masroor. Together they have 4 children, 2 boys and 2 girls. Let's check out his private jet. This is his private jet. This is his yacht. In 2005, he bought Serene from Russian vodka tycoon Yuri Selfer for $500 million. Let's check out his car collection. His favorite car is Rolls-Royce Phantom, and he has numerous number of cars. Let's check out his pet. He owns a private zoo where there are tigers and several other animals. This is his mansion. He also owns a French chateau worth $300 million. He has several mansions in Saudi Arabia.
So guys, if you like this video, please press the like button and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon from which you get the notification directly. So thanks for watching, and we'll meet soon in next video. Love you.